light is an invisible energy which causes, which sensation does it cause? You're right. What you're saying is right, but what sensation does it cause?
I don't know.
Okay, Neha, can you answer? You were there in the last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Alia, what about you? Can you answer?
So, can I answer?
Yeah, Alia, can you answer?
It's like a energy which comes from lamp sun so that we can see some things.
Very
Sir,
good.
can I say?
Yes, Haripriya.
Sir, no, sir, Neela.
Yeah, Neela, please. Neela, please.
Sir,
Go ahead.
light is being as two types.
Okay, what are the two types?
Luminous and non-luminous.
Okay, those are the types of sources. We'll go back, we'll get, do that a little later. First, I want you to tell me what is light. Just what is light, nothing more than that.
Can I go, sir?
Yeah, Pragya.
This is Anjali.
Yeah, Anjali, please.
Yeah, light is an visible light is an it's an electric magnetic radiation.
Telling us a lot of new things. So you say visible light. Is there something invisible light?
Light is not visible, but when the radiation that is, so I said visible light because when the radiation the electromagnetic radiation, it works and stuff, we see the light, but not everything could see the light. Basically, light is, it's not something that's visible.
Okay, not something that is visible. Fine. So let's see. Let's discuss about this. So there is somebody else who also wanted to say something. Then we can go ahead. I think it was Pragya. Pragya, you wanted to say something? Pragya, there are two Pragyas. That different or the same?
Someone other said that.
Okay, so let's go ahead. So what is light? Light, an invisible form of energy. So what is light? Light, an invisible form of energy. And what does it do? So an invisible form of energy, we have discussed that, so light is not visible. What does light do? It makes things visible. What I say, it gives us a sensation of vision, or I'll make it simple. When it falls on objects are visible to us. So what are visible to us? Objects are visible. I hope this is clear. So you can quickly scribble it down. What is light? Light is an invisible form of, and when light falls on objects, what happens?
Excuse me, sir?
Yes, you're excused, Nirbhay.
What it is written G.
Light is invisible form of energy. That there's a full stop. When it falls on objects, let me write it. What does it do? This part is clear. Light is an invisible form of an object. When light falls on objects, what happens? Objects are visible to us. Fine. So unless and until light falls on object, we cannot see objects. Chirantan, I want you to switch off your webcam. So I hope this is clear, all of you.
Yes,
now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now let's get to the next part. Now, what we have seen is what are the various types of sources of light. Now, what is the source of light? Any object.
Sir.
What is the source of light? Any object which produces light is known as source of light, right? Any object which produces light is known as source of light. So,
may I try?
Yeah, I'll just, because it's simple, I'll just write it. The next question you can try. Objects which give light to us, are known as our sources of light. Just the word, right? This we know. Now the next thing, again, this also we discussed in the previous class. What is the next thing? Next thing is, what are the types? What are the types of sources of light? How many types of
luminous and non-luminous.
Luminous and non-luminous.
So types of sources, there are two types. One is what? Luminous and non-luminous. So is that clear to all of you? We have two types of sources of light. One is luminous and other is non-luminous.
Okay, sir. Sir, what are the meaning of luminous and non-luminous?
Yes, we'll tell you. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll just tell you. So this is, you can quickly take it down. The people who were not there in the last class, they can quickly take down these things. Now, light, definition of light. Then, what is the source of light? After that, the types of light. The various types of sources of light. You've taken it down. Take it down. Then we'll go. Done?
Done.
All of you are done? Okay. So now let's try to define luminous body. So what are luminous bodies or luminous sources of light? Luminous bodies.
Sir,
yes, anyone who can tell me?
The object which produces source.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
One at a time. Let me decide who. Just give me a minute to decide who will. Vivan. Vivan is the person who has not spoken till now. So Vivan, can you tell me what are luminous sources of light?
Yes, sir. The objects that produce their own light are called luminous objects.
So the objects which produce their own light are called luminous objects. Others, any other definition?
For
Or we can
example,
go.
has a luminous body.
Yes, yes, Pragya wanted to say something? No. Okay. Yes, yes,
Can
Haripriya. Yes, Haripriya, go ahead.
Objects that emit their own heat and light are called luminous bodies, sir.
So the objects which emit their own light are called luminous bodies.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Neha, you can.
Objects or bodies give out or emit light energy by themselves are called luminous bodies.
Very good. So all of your definitions are correct. So let's write down this one, the definition of luminous body. So you can just take down objects or body. I'm dictating it. Can you take it down? Object or body which give out or emit light. Object or bodies which give out or emit light energy by themselves. Objects or bodies which emit light energy by themselves are called luminous bodies. Objects or bodies which give out or emit light energy by themselves are known as luminous bodies.
Sir, I am not able to understand non-luminous.
Okay, don't worry, don't be in a hurry, we'll do that. Luminous bodies, is that fine? I'll just write down. So I'll write it in short. So what do we say? Objects or bodies which emit light energy of their own.
No,
Emit
sir,
light energy.
non-luminous.
Yes, energy of their own, right? These are luminous bodies. Can you give examples of luminous bodies?
Can I?
Let me check. Is there somebody? Yashika, can you give me examples of non-luminous bodies? Let me check who is not talking. Anjali, can you give me examples of luminous bodies? Anjali and Yashika. Laptop.
Computer.
Screen.
So can I tell?
One at a time. I want Anjali to give answer. I got the answer, Yashika, laptop and computer screen. Okay. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Okay, Nirbhay, you can go ahead, please.
Sir, phone, sun and stars.
Stars. You said something else which I couldn't follow. What was the next other one?
Phone and sun.
Moon and sun. Okay, I'll
No,
get
sir,
back to you.
phone.
Okay,
Phone
you're
and
talking
sun.
about a phone screen. Okay, a phone screen, a tab. Okay. Yeah, and anything else? Alia, you want to add something?
Sir,
Sun, moon, stars.
TV.
TV. Very good. Television. Anything else? Yeah, others can type it
Tube
down.
light.
Tube light, bulb, everything taken. So all of you are giving me the right answer. So what are luminous sources? Sources which give light energy of their own. So examples are sun. What are examples? Non-luminous. Well, we'll discuss a little later. So what are examples? Examples are sun, stars, everything that you've done. Television screens, laptop screens, all those things, right? TV screens, laptop screens, phone screens, bulbs. So this is all luminous bodies. Firefly, right? So that's also a luminous body. So all these bodies, they give light energy of their own. Yes, Avni, sun, that's accepted. And Vivan, stars, very good. So these are luminous bodies. Haripriya says moon is not a luminous body. Okay. So we'll discuss about if it is not a luminous body, what are the other types of sources of light? Non-luminous.
Sir, can I tell?
Can I?
Sir, can I?
Non-luminous body. Let me check.
Can I, sir?
Can I? There are so many people who want to talk. Let me check. Yes,
Sir,
Chirantan, can you tell? Chirantan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Non-luminous objects are those objects that do not emit their own light but reflect the light.
Okay. Non-luminous objects are objects which do not emit their light but reflect the light. Okay. Sahib, you want to give some other definition or you're happy with Chirantan's definition?
Can I?
Yes, Sahib,
No,
you can
sir,
also.
I am not happy because that I think the definition of non-luminous bodies are that they don't produce their own light.
Okay, then what do they do?
So,
They present,
Can I?
they reflect the light when they are getting something, when they are getting power. They do
When
not
they get-
reflect on their own.
Okay,
Like
Chirantan also
sun
told
is
the
a
same thing.
natural,
Yeah,
like
Chirantan
sun is not
also
a natural thing. It is own light it gives.
it doesn't. Sun is it luminous or non-luminous, Chirantan?
So
It
it's
is a luminous.
Luminous. So is
Luminous.
it giving its own light or it's not giving its own light?
It is
the
getting
moon
its
is
own light.
non-luminous body.
Because it shines because of the light of the stars.
Okay, it because of the light. Fine. Let's see. Okay, so agreed, taken. So I think all of you know this. What is luminous bodies? The bodies which do not emit light energy of their own, but reflect the light energy falling on them, right? So what are non-luminous bodies? These are also non-luminous sources of bodies. So I can say the bodies, what do they do? Which do not emit light of their own. They do not emit light of their own. What do they emit? Emit light of their own, but reflect light falling on them. Reflect light, right? So you can quickly take down example. Moon is a non-luminous object. We see that moon to be bright in the night sky, but the light that is coming from moon, the present light, is the sunlight which is falling on it and getting reflected. Got it? So moon is not a luminous body.
Luminous body, not luminous.
I hope that's clear. Any
Yes,
other?
sir.
So is that clear to everyone? Non-luminous bodies and luminous bodies. Any other example of non-luminous bodies?
Can I?
Neha, Chirantan,
No.
Shahid. Anyone else? Anyone else? Let me
Sir,
check. So all of you can just type it. Movie screen. Neela has attended the class. Could attend the class. Yes. The previous class, she remembers everything. Others, Avni, apart from moon, anything else which is non-luminous? Neha says mirror. Chirantan, you can type it down. Chirantan, you can type it down. Yes.
Yes, sir. Typing.
Yes, all of you, so that I can have an idea who is saying what. Yashika, can you give me example of any non-luminous body? Table, chair. Okay. Yashika.
sir, table and chair are non-luminous only, no, sir?
Yeah, they're also non-luminous. Table, chairs, trees, anything that are visible when light falls on them are non-luminous.
Sir, why?
What is it? I'm sorry. Somebody else was saying something else.
Why it is non-luminous table and chair? They don't produce light.
Even moon doesn't produce light. Does moon produce light?
No, sir.
So what does it do? It reflects light falling on them. Anything
Okay, sir.
which reflects light falling on them is non-luminous.
Okay, sir.
Okay.